guys, welcome to my Valentine makeup tutorial. Well, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get this look right here, and well, I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get started. So first you have to put on your foundation. Mine is from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Natural Ivory. So yeah, and just gotta put it all over your face. Make sure you blend it well, and also blend down to your neck. Next, I put on my concealer from NARS in shade Vanilla or Light 2. I don't know. It has two names, I guess. So yeah, then you just gotta like blend it out. Then I get my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I just put it under my eyes, you know, and wherever I applied my concealer at. After that, whatever's left on the brush, I just go over my face with the rest of it. Then the concealer, I use that as a primer for my eyes, because I don't know, I kind of like how it stays. But after you put on your concealer on your eyes, you just go in with a base color and put it all over your lid, as I'm doing right now. Next, I go in with my 350M Morphe palette, and I take that orange color and just blend it in my crease, applying most of the product in my crease and just blending it upwards to get that nice effect. Then, using the same palette, I go in with that red color in the same exact spot pretty much, but lower, like trying not to blend it out as much as I did with the transition color. And I just apply it all in my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with a dark brown color, and I'm gonna apply that in the outer corner and in my crease, trying to create some depth. As I do that, I'm trying to like blend it out, then adding some more of whatever's left on the first brush that I used with like the red, and just going over it until I have a smooth transition on my eyelid. So now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline concealer. I think it's Maybelline, I'm not sure. I'm so sorry, I don't know this. But anyways, so whatever concealer you have, I go in and I create my cut crease after I have done all my blending, and just try to make it as sharp as I can. Then after that, I'm gonna go in with my base color that I used at the beginning and just pat it dry, because you don't want your concealer running everywhere and messing up your blending that you did on your eyes. Next, I go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. Let me tell you, I love this palette so much. I always be using it. Anyways, I go in with that pink color that I just showed you, and I use that for where I just made my cut crease, you know, pat it all over there. Do that on both eyes. Now I'm just going over my outer corner and putting more brown on there to make it darker and to create even more depth. So now going in with my Physicians Formula eyeliner, I'm gonna be doing a wing. So this is my little trick on how I get that sharp cut liner that everyone always asks me about. I use concealer and an angled brush. This brush is, I'm pretty sure it's like Anastasia Beverly Hills, something like that. And then just your concealer and just go over the line until you see that it's so sharp it could cut whoever. You know what I'm talking about, you know. Now time for some lashes. So boom. Got them on. And you're gonna go in under your eye and put in some red. Just blend it all the way in to your under eye, and yeah. Then I put in my eyeliner and just go over my waterline and try to blend it downward too, to create like that, I don't know, I guess you can say like dramatic look. I'm just going in with my bronzer and just bronzing away. Then my blush, which is from Tarte. Actually, both my bronzer and my blush was from Tarte. And I don't know why, but I kind of like using the shimmers from my palettes as highlighters, because I don't know, I feel like it's the same thing. It's my preference, I guess. But yeah, just highlight over my brow, my cheekbones, my lips, over my lips, my nose, bridge of my nose, inner corners, and on my brow bone. Now onto the lips. Before you put any matte lipsticks on, I suggest you put on lip balm, because it just really dries out your lips. And now I'm just lining my lips with this Prestige lip liner in the color Deep Plum. Yeah, then I go in with Kristen from Kylie Jenner's birthday edition, I'm pretty sure. And then over that, I don't know, I kind of like to mix my lipsticks, so I went over it with a L'Oreal Paris lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Toast, and that creates a very red looking lips. So this is like the final look. Yeah, I hope you guys liked, and if you want to see me do something else or a certain type of look, you can always comment and stuff. Thank you for watching. Bye.